Mr. Upshaw
I experienced, I'm sure.
on Maddox.
So that's not agreed with anymore.
No, that's what you changed out.
The case, just a heads up, that Maddox case is an AG case.
Oh. Oh, so it's not ready.
It's not.
It's not tobacco violation.
Not my jurisdiction.
Smoke to these cigars.
Oh, oh, gosh.
I can't wait to hear what that is too, because I'm curious.
What?
That's the first ever tobacco.
Yes.
Um,
Did you call me,
Mr.
Madam
Upshaw,
Clerk? Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Madam Clerk.
we're, I guess this is an AG case, so we need, the AG prosecutor.
And he's not in, and I'm gonna start trial. I'm pulling up in front of Frank Murphy to start my trial. Is there any way we could just set it for another PC, waiting on him? And I have no discovery at all.
Give me a date, hopefully he'll be able to do it.
Say that again, Your Honor.
Well, I can give you a date, hopefully he'll be able to do it when he gets on. If he's not, then we'll just have to contact you.
I'll be writing. Yes, that'll be fine.
All right, and you just send in an order on the discovery, just in case they don't give it to you.
Thank you.
You want me to call the judge?
Yeah.
Okay.
The 36th District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Ronald Giles presiding.
Calling case number 2358328, the people of the state of Michigan versus Carla Maddox. Defendant is charged with count 1, tobacco products tax act violations felony. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
For the record, Your Honor, Randall Upshaw, P number 43574 on behalf of Ms. Maddox.
All right. No.
Yeah, she should be on.
Ms. Maddox, can you turn on your video, state your name for the record?
Carlia Maddox.
All right, thank you. All right, Upshaw. Are you available Tuesday? Oh, wait a minute.
I believe it's going to trial.
Oh. September 26th at 10:15.
10:15, that's fine. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay,
Have a good day.
thank you too.
Is that 10:15, Judge?
Yes.
All right, so. Yeah. I think.
Yeah, come.
I saw.
Yeah.
It's 25th.
Yeah, I got most of them too. I got another space or two for 20.
Good morning, Mr. Paul.
Good morning, how are you?
Good.
So I know my matter is set for Miss Williams at 9 o'clock for exam, but I did not receive discovery.
Tim, did you get an order?
I apologize, Judge. Did you say
You
something
got
to
a
me?
discovery order? Yeah, okay, well, you got a discovery order, you don't receive discovery, I'm just gonna dismiss.
Okay, do we need to wait
Unless they
until
got
9
a really
o'clock?
good.
What case is it? I'm sorry. I don't hear you.
Williams, Rikisha, the first 9 o'clock. Rikisha Williams, scheduled for today.
Maddox, you can sign out, your case is done.
Thank you.
You coming back in person when you come back. That's next Tuesday at 10:15.
So 36 District Court.
Yeah, courtroom 233.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is Mr. Polk saying that he doesn't have any discovery at all, or Mr. Polk, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but did you not receive any discovery at all, or are you missing something specific? Because what I have says that you downloaded paper discovery, but we don't have any digital discovery, so I don't know if you would have gotten anything like that, but are you saying you didn't get any paper either?
Mr. Polk?
He's on mute.
Oh,
No, I hear you, Judge. I didn't know he was speaking to me. I didn't receive any discovery at all. No paper, no digital.
Right. Well. From the things we have, the system that sends the discovery where we send it through gives us an indication when it was sent and downloaded. My thing says it was downloaded September 5th by Mr. Polk, and I can.
all right, well, Mr. Polk, you need to come on in at 9 and we'll deal with it then. So they're saying
All right,
it's in.
Judge. My client was just arraigned last week, so I didn't get this, no, December 9. Okay, thanks. I'll call him.
This is one set for exam?
Yeah,
Rikisha Williams.
yep, Rikisha Williams. Good morning, Ms. Young.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Okay. Good morning, Your Honor.
You're on McKinney, correct?
Right. And he's in custody, and I'm going to be moving for entry of an order referring him for competency and criminal responsibility. So I can't waive his presence if the court is okay with that.
That's fine. Is he in or out?
He's in custody, Your Honor.
Okay.
Although he was, just for the record, he was given a $3,500 personal bond. Tether. I saw him last on the 17th, and he was still in custody at that time.
Yeah, he's still in custody. I got him on a jail list.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
No, that's okay.
Mr. Ambrose, you're on Boyd.
Yes.
Okay, I have you checked in. Mr. Konecki, who you want?
Good morning. I have Reginald Jackson.
Reginald Jackson. All right. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Question. That might be the officer's name.
No, she used to work at NBS.
Oh.
And then she left, so I think she was on it. She was with us.
I never seen that.
I'm not sure where she went.
I remember the name.
Yeah,
All right.
it could be.
Parties ready on Frank McKinney.
Ready.
Calling case number 2358821, the people of the state of Michigan versus Frank McKinney. Defendant is charged with count 1, malicious destruction of a fire or police property. Count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 3, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Booker appearing on behalf of the people, P 86266.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Rita Young, P 44626, appearing on behalf of Mr. Frank McKinney, Your Honor. I have met with Mr. McKinney at the jail twice, and based on our meeting conversations with family member and with him, I am moving at this time for interim order, referring him for competency and criminal responsibility. And I do see that he is not present on screen, and I'd ask the court to waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Okay, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. I still need to know why. Gotta have those one of those two statutory reasons.
He
for
has
referral.
he has a history of mental health illness. He's been previously diagnosed with bipolar disorder and as well as schizophrenia. I spoke to his grandmother, and he's been treated before. As a result of this incident, he was taken to Detroit Receiving Hospital psychiatric unit and subsequently released. And based on our conversation, he had difficulty understanding our conversation during periods of time. And I do not believe that he will be able to comprehend until he's been evaluated and receive treatment if deemed necessary.
And that's almost what I need to hear. I need to know whether or not he can adequately, if he can assist you in these proceedings, or if he just does not understand the parties and the procedures and the court hearings. He doesn't understand what's going on.
I do not believe that he can assist me, Your Honor, based on our two interviews together.
All right. Then I will refer him for competency to stand trial. They are not taking, the Center for Forensic Psychiatry is not taking referrals for criminal responsibility from the district court at this point. They want you to wait until you get over to the circuit court to do that, just because they're so backed up.
Very well, Your Honor.
Give you a date in 1 second.
Thank you.
Well, the other issue is regarding his bond.
There was it was higher. There was a redetermination hearing, and it was set to $2,500 personal bond with a tether and house arrest, and he's awaiting a tether.
Does he have the resources to get him up to the Center for Forensic Psychiatry? Because if he misses his hearing, I'm locking him up. I don't know if I need to keep him locked now, you know.
Your Honor, I would ask that the court not change the bond. I am in touch with his family, and I explained to them that it may be necessary for him to be conveyed, and I believe that they will assist me in making that happen. And the last person I spoke to was Miss Linda Flowers. I spoke to her yesterday. She is Mr. McKinney's grandmother. Very familiar with his background.
He's gonna be out.
Oh, I see that Mr. McKinney is now on the screen, Your Honor.
You say you need what, Judge?
Yeah, date.
January 9th,
No.
what company?
Yeah, he's out, so he will be out. I guess he gets the tether. So these 4 months. 4.5 months.
February 1st.
Okay.
Mr. McKinney, can you hear us? State your name, please.
Frank McKinney.
All right, your attorney is on. She's made a referral for you for competency to stand trial. That will be done at the Center for Forensic Psychiatry. So when they, once you get out and they contact you, you need to make sure you make that appointment. You understand?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that again? It kind of got loud where I was at.
Okay. Your attorney has made a referral for competency to stand trial. All right, so you have to be evaluated by a psychiatrist at the Center for Forensic Psychiatry. So they're gonna contact you, actually, they're gonna contact your attorney and she will contact you for your interview. You have to make sure you go to your interview. They might do it over the, on Zoom, or they might wanna do it in person. So if it's in person, you have to go up there. Do you understand? Say yes? All right. Okay, so then we're gonna be back in court for the competency hearing on February 1st, 2024. Anything else, Ms. Young?
No, Your Honor. And Mr. McKinney, please call me once you get your tether, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
8:30, Chuck? Yeah, 8:30.
Yeah, 8:30.
Mr. McKinney, you can tell the deputy you're all set.
Deb, I'm all set.
Party's ready. I'm Reginald Jackson. Calling case number 2260490, the people of the state of Michigan versus Reginald Jackson. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Booker, appearing on behalf of the people, P86.
May it please the court, Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Jeffrey Konecki, P 64800, on behalf of Mr. Jackson. Your Honor, I'd ask to waive Mr. Jackson's presence.
All right, waive his appearance for the purpose of the hearing.
Your Honor, we're asking to set this for preliminary exam.
You're available at 11 o'clock on September 25th.
I am before Your Honor on another exam at 11 o'clock. That's
Oh,
I have no meal.
Yeah, that's the 2 defendants, Judge.
oh, okay, I see it. Try 11:30.
That's fine, Judge.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor, I believe I do have digital and paper discovery, so I think we're all set.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you.
Calling case number 2358632, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tylen Boyd. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, habitual offender, third notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Booker, appearing on behalf of the people, P86266.
It's Ronald Ambrose appearing on behalf of Mr. Boyd, my P number 45504.
Is your client on? Are you waiving his appearance?
I thought the clerk said he's waiting.
Yeah,
No.
he's not. Yeah, he's not on.
I can waive his appearance. We were going to set this for an exam.
All right, waive his appearance for purpose of this hearing.
Yes.
Are you available September 26th at 9:30?
I am not.
About 10:30.
I think I can make that. Yes. Yeah, I think I can make that work.
All right. All right, anything else?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. Let's close the hearing.
All right, thanks.
Calling case number 1959577, the people of the state of Michigan versus Hayel Hat. The people of the state of Michigan versus Hayel Shawish. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing third-degree vehicle code, count 2, operating while intoxicated. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Book appearing on behalf of the people, P86266.
Good morning, Your Honor. If it pleases this most honorable court, William Hackett, P65962, on behalf of Mr. Hayel Shawish. Judge, I'm not sure if he's incarcerated at the jail right now, so I'm not sure if he's on Zoom or not.
All right, we'll waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
We can waive his appearance for purposes of this hearing. I'm just going to set this matter for preliminary examination.
Okay. You available 9:30 on September 26th?
I am, Judge.
All right, anything else?
Judge, I just would ask the prosecution to have both officers present for the preliminary exam, Ronald Attard and Monica Luna. And if there's a video, I'd like to get that. I'm assuming that there might not be because it's a 2019 case, Judge. But if there is a video, I'd like it.
Well, just in case on the video, you need to send in a discovery order. On the witnesses, you know, I can't order the prosecutor who to bring. They present their case.
That's fine. I'll subpoena them, Judge. I'll subpoena them.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a great week, Judge.
All right, you too now. Take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Anything else? Mr. Pope is on.
I did have the attorney Clemens, but I don't know what happened to him. Yeah, I had everybody. Mr. Poe, you're back.
Yes.
Where's your client?
She's here, Your Honor.
Bring her in, please.
Calling case number 2358553, the people of the state of Michigan versus Rakesha Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Bookwood, bringing on behalf of the people, P 86266.
Your Honor, may it please this honorable court, Larry Polk on behalf of Rakesha Williams, who is present. Ms. Williams, would you state your name for the record?
Thank you.
Yeah, I understand there was an issue brought just moments ago about possible discovery, but it's a moot point. I'm not ready to proceed today. Ms. Latrice Cobb, she was subpoenaed and asked to be here. I spoke with her on the phone yesterday where I told her the importance of being prompt, and she told me she would be here early. But she's not here yet, and I haven't heard anything from her this morning, Your Honor. I did get the sense while talking to her that she was iffy about even showing up, and so I'm not able to proceed.
With that being said, Judge, we make a motion that the matter be dismissed. Of course, the dismissal is without prejudice.
All right, be dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Williams, you're free to go. I'll talk to you later.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
You don't have a tether on anything.
Do you have a
Have a great
tether?
day.
No,
You can wait for your paperwork outside.
thank you. Oh, here he is.
Okay, okay.
Calling case number 2358847. The people of the state of Michigan versus Angel Clemens. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 2, felony commission with a motor vehicle, adult advisory. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Bookwood, bringing on behalf of the people, P 86266.
And Scott Nadeau on behalf of Ms. Clements, P 64316.
Client, are you waiving your presence?
I could, but I haven't been able to get a hold of her. So I was hoping she would appear today.
Oh, she's on.
She's on.
Okay, good. I've had no ability to get a hold of her, so this would be a good time. I'll have no choice but set it for an exam because I haven't had a chance to talk to her.
No problem.
That's her on the iPhone. I didn't get a chance to read it.
Ms. Clemens, can you turn on your, can you hear us?
Yes.
All right, state your name for the record, please.
Angel Clements.
All right. And your attorney is on. We're gonna set this matter, I'm gonna give you a date for your preliminary exam. It's gonna be in person. So you're gonna be in court. And then after we get the dates that the hearing's over, we're gonna put you in a breakout room, allow you to talk to your attorney, all right?
Okay.
So you can, give him your information so he can get in contact with you.
Okay.
All right, counsel, are you available September 26th at 10:45?
Probably not. I have to be in Oakland County at 8:30. That criminal call is always a nightmare. Let me think here. I'm looking ahead. I could do the 25th, Monday. I can also do the 29th, Friday.
September 25th at 9:30.
September 25, Monday, 9:30. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Clemens, you're gonna see, invitation to a breakout room. You need to accept that. That way you can talk to your attorney confidentially, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
She said, leave the call, she said she's ready.
Okay, I'm very well with that.
Next one is.
There you go, Judge. What date did you get?
Oh.
25th at 9:30.
Then we get out, right?
We have one right now.
No, we got one, 10:30, cool, we got that out the way.
So he's behind the car.
Yeah, the next one is in. Hey, Lita, he's on his way up.
Okay,
thank you. All right, all right.
All right, bye.
You know what?
So we will pay. Who kidnapped Giles?
Without license. And he just. They took him on. Going. He's still not. Whatever. So I was watching it for a while. They realized.
So, did you get yours already? Got one over. The wrong one. Yeah, I'm gonna.
So they take him to the section. So this is.
Alright, so that's how it must be, that's.
Make about it.
Which is more papers off.
What is that? Football stuff?
I was like, my life in my hands. I was just mad because basically, you know, like I was fixing the wrong, but now I'm sick, you know.
All right. Rushing Mark, Juan.
So.
Right, reclusion, 9:15.
Yeah, we could have just got. Yeah, because those were the 10:30.
Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying.
I was big come, we gotta.
Huh? You went upstairs? Yeah, I'll be right there.
All right, Kevin. Yeah, that's cool, so.
And if she's got her 9 o'clock, then her exam.
We'll take this.
Yeah. If she does it, you can come right back and do this.
Mr. Ambrose, you're back.
Yes, I got my client. I believe he was in a different courtroom. So we just wanted to make sure that everybody's on the right page.
Past November, we got our bar results. We're the latest class ever in November 19.
So you're trying to do what, Mr. Ambrose?
He just wanted to make sure of what's going on with this case, that it's set for September 26th at 10:30. I think he'd appreciate it if you confirm that.
Okay, I'm trying to give him a minute. He's connecting the audio.
And
Mr.
also-
Boyd?
Which docket is Judge covering upstairs?
Jefferson.
I never get that cut.
Mr. Boyd?
I always get Jefferson covering Giles, and I was like, as many times as I want Giles to cover Jefferson.
They always.
Mr. Boyd, can you hear me?
Yes, I can barely hear you.
Giles with Ezra.
They actually have an exam with,
Let me see.
Miss Silver.
Can you hear me better now?
I just heard can you hear me better now, but I can listen very intently.
Okay, so your next court date is September 26th at 10:30 a.m. It's in the 36th District Court, so you have to be here in person,
Courtroom 233.
okay?
Okay.
And
All
can I
right.
confirm with the prosecutor, have there been any offers made to Mr. Boyd?
We'll send a mass text.
You said, heard what you said.
Eddie,
Jersey. You said 3 exams.
can I get a prosecutor?
But when your prosecutors step up on this case,
Mr. Ambrose wants to know, is there an offer for Mr. Boyd? Do you know?
Give me one moment, I can check it out.
It says CCW.
Oh, was it go through Judge Robbins' court?
Yep,
I'm watching.
sure did.
you're watching.
Let me double check, but it looks like,
We feel like somebody watching.
Mr. Ambrose, didn't you go to Judge Robbins' courtroom?
Yes. Well, yeah, a few weeks ago, yes.
So the offer given from the notes, I think, was there an offer given by the prosecutor Cal? Did he give you anything?
He did not.
Okay, so if he didn't give an offer, I can't give an offer. At circuit court, you would have to submit a gun board letter, and then they would consider giving an offer of some kind. But it's gonna go to more senior attorneys. That's kind of the process. When Cal doesn't give an offer, I can't give one.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, very good. I
All right,
appreciate
so
it.
Mr.
Yeah, of course.
All right, Mr. Boyd, you're all set. Make sure you don't wear no t-shirts, no sweats, a button up, polo collar. So what you have on now is fine. Yes, that's fine. Courtroom 233, 36th District Court. You're on mute, so I can't hear you if you're saying something.
Okay, that's an in-person hearing?
Yes, in person. You need to be here in courtroom 233.
223. Okay, I will be there.
233.
Oh, 233.
Yes.
Okay, I will be there.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
My car is like 12 years old.
Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
Ms. Clemens, do you have a question?
That's okay. I'm just messing with Joey.
I like it.
Okay, you're all
Say my
set.
name, and then I just get to.
Okay, thank you.
All right, oh, 100%. so soft, and
Yeah, right,
not
right.
smart, and I just come with all this stuff and words.
Now let's try it. Love it. Don't you love it? I know you
They
do.
love when I come with the words, you know?
They say, we deal with it. We deal with it. That's funny. Yes, just missed the judge, just left out what you did there. About a minute or two. Got this out the way.
Right.
I started to go, I just looked at 9 to 10.
So he wasn't in the way though.
He wouldn't.
I think. Would have been nice though.
They only got one exam across the hall.
That's all. What time? 1:30?
Right. That'll do it. Sound like something.
Yeah. Minnesota, Philadelphia.
Oh.
Boy.
Baltimore, big pieces.
Yeah, Boston.
I'm gonna get that one.
Detroit.
Seattle. I lost that one as hell. Seattle is great. Houston, Minneapolis. So I got that one. I think I might have went to Chicago and Tampa Bay. I went to Tampa Bay.
Still down to Atlanta.
Well, where they, what's our?
I had Green Bay. You beat Atlanta one?
Still down to Tennessee and Charlotte.
I won't charge. Tennessee won that.
No.
Get me out of here. Yeah, I think
Down
that,
to Denver and
that's
Washington.
fine. The only thing that you might run into.
I will with Washington.
How they put the track on the car. Either way, they're in possession.
I went with Dallas.
And
So I'll just go ahead.
What about Arizona?
I had the Giants.
What about Florida? Carolina?
I think you have enough just circumstantially,
I
at least
wouldn't
get the proper cost.
What about Cleveland and Pittsburgh?
I went with Cleveland and Pittsburgh. I had Pittsburgh at first at that tape.
So you lost 4.
Yeah.
How much you guys want to bet
No,
that
wait a
Judge
minute.
Robbins lost 5 games at the same time that Judge
I
Giles?
got 5.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Washington.
I would hang up his phone so fast, you know,
So
Robbins would.
pick number Washington.
Really?
Got that quarterback that just.
Judge Giles takes precedent over anybody in my.
Hey, Washington did beat them, did.
And then it was on, yeah, Washington.
I can check that. I got it marked as,
Oh, bless you.
Bless you.
Hey, what is that?
I know, that's kind of weird for me.
Get your mask on.
Is it Friday yet?
I wish, right?
yeah, the, doggone Washington won it, but
Man, Cleveland have Chubb, that Tennessee game. Court's now back in session. Ms. Rushing, you come to the table, please.
Sorry, John.
Calling case number 2358671, the people of the state of Michigan versus Marquand Moses. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substances, possession cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams, habitual offender, third notice. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
And good morning, Your Honor. Sydney Rushing, P78830, appearing on behalf of Mr. Moses this morning. Your Honor, Mr. Moses is not here because he is in federal custody.
Oh.
Which was made aware very, very recently.
Okay, what's he doing there? Do you know?
I have no idea. Unfortunately, I was not able to get much information.
I just found out he was in federal custody this morning, Your Honor.
Okay, well, what I will do then, I'll put this over for a week for PCC. You're gonna have to tell me what you want to do. I have no authority to take him out of federal custody to bring him here. You know, I can send all the writs I want, they're just gonna laugh. So depending on what he's there for and how long he's gonna be there, you know, you gotta decide what you want to do with this case.
Your Honor, if I may, is your witnesses up here?
I haven't seen anybody.
Your Honor, and I know maybe this is nothing, but I guess I should make a record, I suppose. If the witnesses aren't here this morning, had my client been here, the case would have been dismissed. Would the court? Oh, officer's here. So never mind.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't dismiss anyway if he's not here.
Right, yeah, I know.
We're gonna have to find a picture. All right.
I know.
Okay, so,
Gotcha.
why don't we look at next, 26th at 8:30.
That's a good day for me, Your Honor.
Yeah, 26th at 8:30. That's gonna be PCC, that'll be on Zoom.
Thank you so much, Judge. Have a great day, everybody.
You should take care now.
And look, it didn't happen. It didn't
Right.
happen. I didn't have to choose. But it would have been you, Judge Giles.
Good morning, Mr. Harris.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Okay.
What's going on? You on?
I have a exam there for Malik Harris, and he indicated to me that he has contracted COVID and did an in-home test. He was at the doctor last week, so I wanted to let you guys know that, and also let the prosecutor know that, so he can call off their witnesses, because he's physically not going to be.
Okay. Did you guys get that?
Yep.
And we appreciate that heads up. Thank you, Mr. Harris.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I should have done it earlier, but I got busy.
That's no problem.
All right, let me see if the judge is in limbo up there. And that's our 10:45.
Yes. An hour.
Y'all. Okay, tell him I got, an adjournment, the defendant has COVID. Right.
Yeah, children.
And where? No, the attorney.
So I got Ellen one.
All right. She ain't got light coming up and down.
I didn't hear you.
The judge going up and down.
Get his workout.
Oh.
The judge is way down.
Get his
With the
workout.
nerve.
Is he doing Judge Jefferson's docket?
Yeah, but they're not doing that. They're not in no hold or nothing right now. He's just sitting up there.
Okay.
So he's on his way down.
Okay.
She says, okay, I have a confession. They might have taken it, Your Honor. That's a
Yeah,
medical
dig
whatever.
that.
Seriously, like her knowledge base. What did you experience? If she got a cut, something's gonna happen. Yeah, you could actually ask, have you ever done a GPH or a assault by training? Yeah. Yeah, so all the.
I was surprised he adjourned that one for
I don't know if all of
PCC.
them are,
I didn't think he was
you know,
gonna do
like
that.
historic, the road.
Yeah, but I guess what else could he really do? I thought he was.
I jumped that morning, like a rock time.
There you go, there.
You know, but I popped right back up, I thought, hey, as long as I don't. I don't know. No, I get it. So, but I guess what I'm saying is like,
We're the hardest force.
headaches, all of that stuff, could, you know, could substantiate. I think, I don't think there's much.
And then I'm just gonna back. The issue is like, how do I get around? So in videos. He's in her.
Hey, do we have a Thursday this week, right? Is there a Thursday this week?
No, Thursday,
Oh,
I mean, now.
Oh, they're taking it right.
Anytime actually do the sheet.
Why did you allow him to force him out? So what did you do when you're in your house?
Rob said 4 wins with the 1.
And so in the video.
I mean, 4 losses.
Right.
That was good.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm just shaking my face.
Just hanging out.
She said, like, I'm back on the phone. He goes, no, I'm just gonna, she opens the door and starts walking. And so the video is like of her hands up the door, opening, and walking. And
How much does she
then
tell
as
us?
he's walking away, she starts walking away from her.
But he has
to do it, so I have to open, I don't know if it's strange. So using the force to figure out. There's some questions that I ask. Ask them like, what I'm trying to answer, what they're looking for.
This is a transition into.
Oh, this one was for count.
Just looking at it. You know, something like just making your argument, it's kind of like. Oh, yeah.
Calling case number 2159451, the people of the state of Michigan versus Malik Harris. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Philip Henderson on behalf of the people, P86029.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wyatt Harris, P54891 on behalf of Malik Harris. I'm asking the court to excuse his presence. Mr. Harris has indicated to me that he has contracted COVID. He did send me a copy, a picture of his in-home test. He did go to the doctor last week, and the doctor said he had COVID, but the paperwork is with his grandmother, which he cannot get to her house and get to her because she's elderly. So I would ask this court to adjourn this matter. I spoke with Mr. Harris the end of last week and yesterday, and he still has COVID. And so I'd ask the court to adjourn this matter for another day.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Harris, you think a week would be enough?
Yeah, Judge, you must have been reading my mind. Yeah, I thought a week might be plenty. Although I can tell you the 26th, I'm in an all-day CJA federal seminar. So either the 17th or, I mean, the 27th or the 28th, and the 28th is even better. Wait a minute. Yeah, the 28th in the morning is better, yes.
(28th) at 9:30?
That would be fine, Judge.
Okay. Okay, anything else?
Yes, this is a different matter. while I have a prosecutor available, FYI, Judge, the prosecutor did refile on that 3 defendant case that we were on last week, I think, or the week before. But what's interesting is they scheduled the PCC to be in front of Judge Jefferson.
Well, yeah, unless I have open cases on on one of the defendants, because I do. Oh, yeah, it's gonna come back.
Well, I don't know if it's open, but because Mr. Harris' client had another case in front of you.
Did we do it?
Did we do it, Mr. Harris?
Yes, we did, and we waived on that same day.
Oh, well, yeah, then it goes to her. Because it comes back as a blind draw.
Oh, does it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, if I heard something on it, then it would come back to me. But if I didn't hear anything, it comes back as a blind draw.
Okay, and when you say hear anything, you mean like from an evidentiary standpoint?
Right.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you, Mr. Prosecutor. Sorry that I got to you so late, though.
That's all right.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day, everyone.
You too, Mr. Harris.
I know.
She's gonna try. She's gonna try.
You take this back.
Yeah, she might do that. I can see her do that.
Okay, fine.
Oh, will both of those cases go to whatever judge, or would they wouldn't be split, right? Because
No, they wouldn't be split.
Yeah, they should go to.
Because one of those is on both cases, one defendant.
Right.
Yeah.
Did you finish everything up there?
No, we got one PCC waiting on attorney.